Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, do it to hit that subscribe button. Alright, today we're going to be talking about the benefits of trading with Predict Market on Delta Exchange app. Alright, if you're new to this YouTube channel, you can check out our old videos, our previous videos where we talked about how to go about registering on Delta Exchange and how to actually use it. Alright, today we're going to be talking about the benefits. Alright, now we're gonna be comparing it with futures trading. Alright, unlike futures trading where there are hidden fees, alright, there are hidden fees. On Predict Market there is no such thing as hidden fees. Alright, you don't have to pay for any hidden fees or anything at all. Alright, and also unlike your futures trading where there are leverages, because you can be seeing 10x, 5x, 50x, 100x on futures trading, but on Predict Market there is nothing like leverage. There is nothing like leverage. And also on futures trading, if you don't have a sustainable particular amount of money, you cannot be able to participate on the market trend and also be able to trade. Alright, but on Predict Market there is no such thing as low amount of money. You can actually start trading with just $1. You can actually start trading with just $1. So having low funds or not having enough capital is not a barrier for you to actually start trading on Predict Market. That's why Delta Exchange introduced this to actually help new beginners who actually do not have enough capital to start trading to actually participate on the crypto market with their little capital. Alright, so another benefit is that you don't have to wait for days or months or even weeks for your trade analysis to play out before you can actually take a trade. On Predict Market, all you need to do is just select the amount you want to use. If you're using $1, if you're using $5, all you need to do is select it, and now you're gonna predict, do you think this market is going to go up, do you think it's going to go down? All you need to do is answer your questions now, and if the market stays up to where you've predicted at a particular point in time till that time expires and you make your money. Is that simple. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to be telling you and also showing you how to actually take a trade on Predict Market. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever we post a video like this. Alright, and for more trade signals you can click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel where we share our trade signals and also give you trading tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.